Okay. Now tell me how many people are there in your family?
Is 5 people
Okay.
in the family.
Okay, who are they?
There are father, mother, little sister, and me.
Okay, great. Now what are the foods you like to eat?
I like food. Eat chicken.
Okay, chicken. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't.
How about hamburger?
Yes, I don't.
Okay. Now I have here a picture. Okay. Now tell me, what do you see in this picture?
See, draw ball.
Okay. What else do you see? What are the things in the picture?
Is 2 girls.
Okay. We have 2 girls inside the class. What else?
Is 2 bags.
Okay. There are 2 bags.
There are 2 bags and 2 computers.
Okay. What else? What do you see on the white table?
Is a radio.
Okay, a radio. A radio is on the white table. Now tell me, how many children are there in the picture?
Is
You should say there are.
there are 9 people all there.
Okay. Now tell me, what are they doing?
Is
They
Con.
are.
see play ball.
Okay, they are playing inside the class. Tell me, what is he doing?
He is sleeping.
Okay, how about the girl in front of the class?
She is draw in the ball.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me, what do you see on the brown table?
He book.
Okay. There are
3 books.
okay, books. Very good. Now I have here smaller pictures. Okay. I want you to tell me, what's this?
This is a zebra
Okay, now I want you to put the zebra under the tree.
under the tree.
Under the tree. Under. Okay, now tell me, where's the zebra?
This zebra.
The zebra is, where is it?
Zebra is under the tree.
Great. Okay, next. What are these?
There are crayons.
Okay, crayons. Now I want you to put the crayons on the white table in front of the radio. Okay, now tell me, where are the crayons?
Is 4 crayons.
Okay, where is it? Where are the crayons?
Is yellow, green, red, and blue.
Okay, next, what's this?
Is a hamburger.
A hamburger. I want you to put the hamburger on the brown table.
On the brown table.
There you go. Where is the hamburger?
Hamburger on the brown table.
On the brown table. Next, what's this?
A jean.
Jeans. Okay, now I want you to put it between the red bag and the green bag. Okay, where are the trousers or the jeans?
Jean is in front of a red bag and yellow bag.
Okay, next, what's this?
Is a cat.
Okay, the cap. I want you to put the cap under the white table.
Under the
White table. Under. Okay, where is the car?
car is under the table.
Okay,